Hello everyone, he or she will be madly in love with you. So let's do this right now. What you need is, you need one onion like this, you need a piece of paper, and you need a marker. Okay, so now onion has a lot of spiritual benefits. Today we're using this to make sure he or she is madly in love with you. Okay, if you are somebody that has been depressed, you are crying because he or she left you, okay, don't cry anymore. Just do this spell with faith with me right now. You can do it right now, okay, and you will see the result happening to you fast. So now you are going to get the onion like this, all right, and there is one more item that you need to get for it. So you need to get a knife. So grab a knife, okay, for this. So now onion is used as a binder, something that binds you together. That's why I want you to think deeply before you do this. Don't say, oh, Precious didn't tell me before I do this. Okay, so when you look at the onion, like my onion right here, you will see this green stuff on it. It's growing. It means this onion has life in it. So you want to use one that has that. It's more powerful. It shows that there is life, because you want to put life back into your relationship. You want to put love back into your relationship. You want to put harmony back into your relationship. That's what you want to use that for. You can use any onion, but to make it even more powerful, that's why I said you should use that. Okay, it's more powerful. When I see that, I'm so happy because it works 100%. So now you will now go right ahead. You will take your piece of paper. Please, when you get your piece of paper, make sure the piece of paper is plain white. Don't use one that you have already written something on. Use a blank plain white paper, please. And you get a black marker. You can use any color if you like, but for this, I love this. I've been using this to manifest a lot, using this black marker, and it works 100%. So now you want to go right ahead and write the name of your ex, or the name of your husband, or the name of your wife, or the name of your girlfriend. Okay, you want to write their name. Make sure you write their name, okay, their first name and their last name. I'm sure you know their name and you know their last name. Don't use their aliases, don't use their AKAs, don't use their street names. Use their real name, please. Okay, their first name and their last name. Make sure you write their date of birth. Date of birth, okay, date of birth. If you don't know it, please find it out. It's very important, because knowing their date of birth for this kind of work, it makes it even more powerful. Okay, it's okay if you don't know it, but it's just that to make it powerful, to make it work faster for you. If you know their date of birth, it will work faster. Okay, but if you don't know it, it may slow down the spiritual work, and I don't want the spiritual work to slow down. I want it to work faster for you. All right, so once you've done that, you will say, you will write here that you will be madly in love with me. Madly in love with me. Okay, so go right ahead, write that like that. Okay, so now at this point, if you are enjoying this video so far, I really want you to like this video. Press the like button, and I want you to comment on this video now. Say, as I do this spell right now, he or she will be madly in love with me. Say that and write it down in the comment section. Okay, so once you've done that, keep this paper here for now, and you will grab your onion. This is where it gets more interesting, it gets more powerful. I want you to listen. Please listen and listen and listen carefully. So now this onion, you will take your knife, you will put it through here. Okay, don't cut it all the way. Okay, not all the way. You will leave some space like that. See what it looks like. All right, so now, because you don't want your relationship to cut off, if you mistakenly cut this onion off, you can't use it. You have to get another one. So just leave it like this. All right, so now you will take your paper, you will fold it towards you like this. 2, 3, towards you. Okay, like that. That's what you want to get. All right, so now you will take your onion and you will put it inside the onion. So now you are going to, if you're a Christian, I really want you to read Psalm 91, read Psalm 35, and read Psalm 53. Because sometimes the reason why you and your boyfriend separated, the reason why he or she doesn't love you as expected, may be as a result of your own sin. It may be as a result of your own attitude. So you really want to read these Psalms, okay, to ask for forgiveness from God Almighty. Okay, and also if there is anything, maybe there is a jazz that somebody somewhere is doing to your relationship that is not making you guys to be loving each other, to care for each other. If there is any jazz anywhere or any spiritual attack or anything, okay, those verses would definitely get rid of the problems. And once you read that, you just have to read the Psalms just 3 times. I mean, one you read the first one, you read the second one, then you read the third one. That's it. After that, use them to say a prayer to this. You will hold this onion like this. You will make sure this side where the paper goes through is facing you, and you will start to say this. You will say, I stand before you, God Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth. I'm using this onion spell, this love spell, okay, to make my boyfriend or my girlfriend madly in love with me. I'm doing this to make him love me beyond my expectation, okay, because I love him. I want both of us to bond together in love. Because I love her, I want both of us to bond together in love, peace, harmony, and care in the mighty name of God. After doing this, he or she will be madly in love with me in the mighty name of God. As I say this, may the heavens, the spirits, the powers in the universe hear my voice and make this happen and make this miracle come fast in the mighty name of God. So you say this. After saying this, just take this onion and throw it. You can bury it if you have somewhere to dig. If you have some ground in your backyard or in the front of your house, you can dig it and bury it there. If you don't have anywhere to bury, if you have a flowing water around, just throw it there and just don't look back. Just go back home and forget about everything and see how your miracle will come so fast. It will not only be madly in love with you, it will do everything that you wanted. That's how powerful this is. You don't want to joke with this, and you don't want to do this just for the fun of it. You don't want to do this if you don't love him. Do it just because you love him, and he or she will be madly in love with you. So thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. For more spiritual guide from me and help, join membership on my channel and you will never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I love all of you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.